Hi, my name is Njeri Mburu.
My name is Sumaiyah Omar.
My name is Cartwritte Wambua.
I'm a business development manager. I work in the media.
I'm a student at the University of Nairobi, School of Law. I'm a mediator. I'm awaiting graduation.
I'm a business intelligence solutions developer working with Save the Children International.
The reason why I enrolled for this training about scholarship is because
I can understand and sharpen skills in scholarship application.
I need to do when I'm applying, to be creative, how to share my story basically.
Who applies for scholarships, the better understanding in terms of the requirements.
I took so much time before I settled on what I wanted to do for my master's, and I think the timing was very right because I have narrowed down to the universities I will want to apply to, and when I saw the training I found it very timely.
Generally the training was on how to wow interviewers, and I can say that it really captured many aspects of communication.
But what I'm taking from this training today is the thought process. What I want, where I want to go, and of course I want to grab that scholarship.
The rules to observe, the do's, the don'ts.
And to also avoid the imposter syndrome. I feel like today's event by KamiLimu has been insightful in the sense that I have met people from other disciplines, gotten to interact with them, form friends, etc.
What I have learned is the process. I think we're so keen on the end result, getting that scholarship.
What I need to do as a student who's planning to apply for future masters, scholarships and fellowships.
And I want to believe that going forward I'm going to be more courageous and have a positive attitude when applying for scholarships. I want to thank the KamiLimu team for giving this opportunity to us. It's been super awesome, super engaging.
Thank you very much for organizing this. I hope to see another one, and I really hope to get my scholarship.
I'd like to thank Dr. Chao and everyone who made this event possible today for all the help, and I'd also commend her and her mentees for all the amazing work that they're doing. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.